What's up, everybody? So Brian Tong here, and I have this huge box that arrived to me just now from WBGames. I have no idea what is in here. I'm pretty sure it's related to Mortal Kombat After'Bath, but this thing is solid. It says fragile here, so I say let's just unbox this bad boy and see what type of goodies I have been blessed with here, because yeah, I have no idea what to expect. This is gonna be fun. So let's just cut this open. Whew. Okay, so, wow, we have a box within a box, very special. So I'm gonna get rid of this padding and see how I can, oh, it's heavy. Oh, okay, let's do this. There we go, okay. I think I put it down the right way, how I was on my shoulder. All right, so now we have this, I guess, regular size box. I'm gonna cut it open here. So here we go. Whoa! Let's see what's in here. We've got, oh dang, okay. Let me pull this out here. Just give me a second. Jeez. Oh yeah, okay. Oh. Okay, I got that out. So I'm gonna try and get this centered here for you so you all can see what I have here. It says MK Aftermath on it. It has this kind of like, I believe like a plastic, it's probably grooved so it can slide in. Oh my goodness. Okay, well I just revealed it, but yeah, here's the top, right? Slides open because it's crazy like that. And what do I have here? Well, it looks like a little friendship pack theme of Aftermath, one of the new, you know, kind of bring back the retro style and feel. Oh my God. So I got Mortal Kombat bath slippers. These are very nice. I will be wearing these immediately. We got a freaking, I'm gonna rock this, a friendship robe. It has the nice little stitching embroidery here. Look, oh my goodness. Hold on, let's just put this bad boy on. Look at here. You have the MK11, whoops. The MK11 thing here. I deserve this. How do I look? Awesome? Awesome? Where was it? Where'd it go? Oh my gosh, here we go. Awesome? Ooh. I'm gonna, you know, while I'm at it, I'm gonna put these slippers on too. Like a boss. We also have kind of little, I guess you call it like a little hand wash towel on the side. This is sick, all right? And then we have the Shokan shampoo, courtesy of Shiva. Do I really have to take a bath with this stuff? We have the Wind Kick conditioner with Fujin. I'm sure make sure, you know what? That's actually a pro because Fujin's hair is nice and wavy and like swoopy. That's good, okay? And we have, ooh, the Deadpool bubble bath. This is throwback to the fatality level in Mortal Kombat 2. And now they have, right, stage fatalities back. Look at this lovely collection here. All just to, you know, someone's got to do a Mortal Kombat Aftermath or After'Bath. Get it? No? Okay. Anyways, this is awesome. Wow. Big thanks to the team for sending all this stuff. And this robe is sick. I know y'all jelly because I be too. So there you have it, a little fun Mortal Kombat Aftermath